What's the meaning of cockamamie? Cockamamie. Cockamamie.
Cockamamie. Cockamamie. Cockamamie is an adjective that means ridiculous, nonsensical, or absurd. It is often used to describe ideas, plans, or stories that are foolish or lack logic. For example, a cockamamie plan might involve using balloons to fly to the moon, or a cockamamie story might involve talking animals that have magical powers. Overall, the word cockamamie conveys a sense of disbelief or skepticism towards something that is presented as sensible or serious, but is actually illogical or implausible. It's a light-hearted way of calling out something that just doesn't make sense.